Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this tutorial. And in this tutorial, we will be learning about this thing, where it go, elastic block storage, in which we will see how to create the volumes and how to attach the volumes to the EC2 instances and everything. Okay. So first of all, I have changed the region over here. I have selected that AP or South one over here, the Asia Pacific Mumbai region. So then I will go to my instances over here. And as of now, you can see there are no instances. So what I'll do, I will just launch an instance, but before that let me just go to the elastic block storage volumes, and as can be seen there are no volumes over here. Okay, as of now it is empty. Now what I'll do, I'll go inside of the instances, I'll click on the launch one instance, and over here I will like elastic block storage EBS, I will say EBS demo name I will give. Then I will select as a Ubuntu over here, and it has selected one image for me. After that, I'll just come down below. If you want, you can just create a key value pair for login. As of now it is not required. I will not do that. I will just come down. You can create a security group, or you can select the existing one if you want. I will not do this also. I have already shown you how to do this. And now the next step comes is the configuring the storage. Okay, so over here when it comes to the storage, so the root volume is 8 GB, but this is my this thing demo purpose I'm doing it. Okay, so I'll just decrease it, and okay, so let's just keep it 8 only as the root volume. I can do one thing, I can attach one more volume to it. I will click on this add new volume, and I can give attach one more volume of 3 GB extra storage. Okay, so this is the EBS volume, and it's non-encrypted. Encryption also you can just apply on it, but as of now it is not required because we are just learning this for demo purpose. So now I have attached the two storages. So one is root volume of the 8 GB, and another one is the EBS volume, elastic block storage of 3 GB, which I have just attached right now. So let's just do one thing. Let me just launch this instance. Let me just see if I forgot something. Okay, I think this much is fine. Then I'll click on the launch instance over here. Okay, it gave me error to select a key value pair. I have actually created a key value pair, but it is not available over here because I've just changed the region. So I'll do one thing. I'll say select on key value pair. I will say EBS key pair over here, and yes, I'll say click key value pair. My key has been downloaded over here. So this I will use for the login purpose. I'll say launch instance. So you can use this key during the login process, but I'll be directly logging in via this thing only, browser. So I won't be making use of that key because this is just a demo purpose thing. So let me just click on this, and right now this instance is pending. It will start running after some time. Let me just refresh and see. Okay, so stage is still under the pending. Okay, so now it has changed the state to running, so it is running now. So now let me just do one thing. I will go to the elastic block storage volumes over here, and inside of this volumes, now you should just see, you will see the two volumes. Okay, so I have attached two volumes on that EC2 instance, one of like 3 GB and one of 8 GB. 8 GB is like a root storage, and the 3 is the EBS storage which I have just applied on it. And now as can be seen, it is the volume state is in use because it is being used by the EC2 instance. So these are the details of it. So now if suppose I want to create more volumes, I'll do the same thing. Uh, right now let me just click on the create volume over here, and there are volume types over here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 types of are there, but I will select the general purpose 2 over here. This is the volume type I have just selected, and I will give the site storage as just 2 GB. Okay, so I think this much is enough. Then here are the availability zone. Okay, so over here I will currently the this EC2 instance what was created by me, this is in the instance of AP South 1. Okay, so I will create one instance in AP South 1A. Okay, and I will just go down below. Have I forgotten something? No. Okay. I'll say create the volume, and this is the volume which is getting created. Let me just refresh. Okay, so now this is the volume which got created, and to this I will give the name over here. I will give the name as ABS and AP South 1A. Okay, so I'll give the name as the AP South 1A. I'll just save it. Then I will create one more volume, and right now again I will give the size as the 3 GB over here. And instead of now selecting the AP South 1A, I will select AP South 1B. Okay, so this is in another zone. I will create one more volume. It is creating. Okay, so now this is another one. The previous one was in AP South 1A, and now this is the AP South 1B, which I created just now. Let me just do one thing. Let me just give the name, and this is in AP South 1B. Okay, so now these are the two volumes which have been created. Now, now if you just see over here, so there are these four volumes. This first one is of 3 GB, which I've attached on my EC2 instance, and this is the 8 GB, which was the which was like a root volume. Okay, and this 3 GB and 2 GB was created by me just now from here, the create volume. So now, if suppose, what if I want to attach this volumes to my this EC2 instance? Okay, so right now if you just see over here, so inside of this instances there is this one instance EBS hyphen demo which is running, and which is already having the two these things. Okay, so now let uh, let me just come down. Where are the volumes? Storage. Okay, so as can be seen, there are already like two volumes which are attached. But now, what if I want to attach more volumes? So what can I do? I can do that from here. So as can be seen, these two are already in use because these two instance volumes are used by that instance. But now, what if I want to attach one more volume? So what I will do? Let me just try to select this AP hyphen South 1B. Let me just try to attach this. Okay, so now as can be seen, like these previous two volumes are already in same zone, AP South 1B, AP South 1B, and this third volume is also in AP South 1B. Now what if I just try to attach it? I'll just select on it and I click on action, and I will say attach the volume. And when it comes to the attaching the volume, I will just select the instance, and now it can be seen I'm getting my instance name. That means I can attach this volume on it. Okay, I'll say attach the volume, and device name. It is asking me to select the name. Okay, recommended device name for the. Okay, so I will just select this one. This device name is already in use, it is saying. Okay, I'll just select some random, and I will say attach the volume. So now it can be seen, like if I just now check, the volume state is in use. But now as can be seen, this all these three volumes were in one zone, and now this AP South hyphen 1A, this is in another zone. And now if suppose I want to attach this volume on that AC2 instance, I will click on action. I'll say attach volume. Now if I just click on the instance, I am not seeing any match. Okay, so this is because now this EBS volume is in another time zone. Okay, so that's why I can't attach that on that EC2 instance, because that EC2 instance is in zone of this AP South 1B, and this EBS instance is in AP South 1A. This is another zone, so you can't attach this volume over there. So this is the difference which I wanted to show you all. And now if suppose I go to the instances, this is my EC2 instance. I'll select on it. I'll say connect, and after that I'll just come down below and I'll say connect, and it will open in the some new Chrome browser over here. So my instance is getting open in the browser only. So over here I'll just show you some operations from where you can just check how many volumes are attached to your EC2 instance. You can directly check them out in your terminal. So I will say lsblk, and when I just hit over here, so it will just show these options. Okay, so xvda, xvdb, and xvdi. Okay, so this is like xvda, this is like 8 GB. So this is the root volume. So as can be seen over here, it has this root volume of the 8 GB, and on top of that I just attach one of like 3 GB and another one of 3 GB. Okay, so these are those other two attached volumes. So now if suppose I want to just detach one of the volumes, so over here this was the one which was, let me just deselect everything. I will just select this particular volume which was attached by me. I will just click on it. I'll go to the actions and say detach the volume, and now that volume has been detached. Now if suppose I again hit this lsblk, so now as can be seen there is this one 8 GB volume has been attached, and another one is of 3 GB. The previous one which was there, this which was this one, it is not there because I just now I just detached that volume. Okay, so this is how you can attach and detach the volumes on any EC2 instance just to increase its size. So this is how things works. Thanks for watching, and keep watching my tutorials. I'll be showing you more tricks about AWS in the future. Thanks guys for watching.